Just when Nigerians are trying to choose peace, Fireboy has stirred the pot again with another bold statement. Nigerians are trying to forgive Ghanaians. We're trying to live in peace with Ghanaians, but it seems Fireboy is not up for it. So Fireboy said, and I quote, "Nigerians individually have talent, but as a team, we're not doing well when it comes to football." I mean, why would you say that? Why would Fireboy say something like that? Nigerians don't like that you carry our business outside. He should have brought it home so that we'll discuss it, but he took it outside. So Fireboy was on an interview or on a show, The 90s Babies, on YouTube. He shared this bold statement saying that Nigerian Super Eagles are not doing well, and at the moment the Black Stars, that's Ghanaian Black Stars, are doing better than us. While this may be true, we are just upset that he had to say it like that. So what do you think about it? Do you think this is true, or do you think Fireboy is just throwing shades at Nigerian Super Eagles? Share your thoughts with us. Comment, like, and subscribe. My name is Augustina with the News Chronicle.